was alone, falling free, trying my best not to forget what happened to us, what happened to me, what happened as I let it slip. I was confused.